George, it's time to get up.
No, can I sleep for another 15 minutes? Gotta say goodbye to my friends in my dream. I want to be polite before I wake up, Mother dear.
Get up, come on. You'll tell them goodbye tomorrow.
Oh, Mommy, must you always cliffhang my night dreams like that?
Good morning, George.
Hello there, Wendy. Where are you running to so early, huh?
I'm taking a morning run. Want to run with me?
Oh, you know. I just got up a minute ago. I don't really want to run anywhere.
Oh, please, George.
Wow, cool. I don't want to sleep anymore. Thank you so much, Wendy.
You're welcome. It's fun to run together, isn't it?
We're starting the morning exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Time to get up.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ethan, I'm here.
2,
Hi, guys.
3.
I'm doing my morning
That's it.
exercise.
Go.
I heard you calling me. Where are you heading to this
3,
early?
4, 1.
It's good to take a run after exercising.
4.
Well done, Wendy. I could be yawning all day long if not for her.
Thank you, Wendy. You are welcome, Ethan. It's fun to run together, the three of us, right?
I'm still sleepy now. Shall I sleep another hour? Or maybe 3? Where are you running to?
Mrs. Dove, we are taking a morning run. Join us. I'm sure you'll love it.
Me? Joining you right now? Instead of getting some more sleep? Hey guys, wait for Mrs. Dove. I'm coming! Just you wait till I catch a second wind. We'll see who's the best.
What's happening here? What?
We're taking a morning run.
What? I can't hear you.
It's a run!
What? A fire? Where? Oh! Fire! Very interesting. Fire! We're burning! Help us! I can't go any farther. Oh my. A fire?
Wow, what a great run it was, right?
Yeah, cool, great! Awesome!
Well, I told you, didn't I, guys? It would be fun to run together. Oh, my goodness.
Where's the fire?
There's no fire at all. It was a regular morning run.
A fire! Fire! Help! Help! Wait, what? You mean there was no fire? We were all running? Running for nothing, huh?
No, why nothing? I actually got my second wind. Can I please run with you every single morning?
Me too.
Of course you can.
Oh, well, I'll be running with you too, then. I will. Ready? I don't have enough coal to get to the peak. Oh.
I think the coal-fired engine is outdated. How about we conduct a modernization, huh?
A modernization?
A modernization. When something is old and worn out, it gets replaced with something new and not so worn out.
Do you want to replace Grandpa Billy with some Sparky? Oh, God.
I suggest replacing Grandpa Billy's coal-firing furnace with an electric razor. What do you think, huh?
I don't see your motor moving anywhere.
It'll move for sure. Go and get me a flatbed trailer.
Huh. Oh! Ow! Ugh! Ow! Well, I see that this motor has moved you off the rails.
So what? But I fixed it. That is in theory.
And what about in practice?
In practice, it gave me an electric shock as well. Ugh. Okay, drawing the last nut up tight, and it's done.
Aha!
Congratulations, Grandpa Billy. Modernization is now a success. And now, you can go for your first test run. Hey, Grandpa Billy, welcome to the modern high-speed world.
Any brakes? I've got no brakes. It doesn't have any brakes. Hey, I can't stop.
Why can't Grandpa Billy put on the brakes?
Unfortunately, in theory, Grandpa brake system isn't adapted for high speed, you know.
All right, then. We'll just have to try and stop him in practice.
Don't you worry, Grandpa Billy. It's all right. Don't hide your fear. Tell me something, anything. Is not exactly what I wanted to hear right now. We solved the problem of stopping Grandpa Billy.
Now let's think about tearing Grandpa Billy off the rails. Ooh.
And about returning Grandpa Billy's old coal-firing furnace? That's what I want more than anything.
So listen up, I built a cableway with a motor set. It helps Grandpa Billy to get coal.
You are awesome. You actually did your modernization.
Modernization.
Mom! Mom! I'm here! Listen! Mom! I wrote a book! A novel! And it's about adventures!
Sweetie, I'm sorry. I really have no time right now. I have to clean the house.
Please, Mom! Dad! Dad! Dad, hey! I wrote a novel! It's about a hero! Dad! A novel! It's about adventures!
Hey, kiddo, could you wait for just a minute? I'm just trying to adjust this small plug here.
Oh, please, Dad!
Quiet, please.
What lovely weather for astronomy this year. Listen, I wrote a book. A novel. About adventures and stuff.
True writers write novels. That's what I think anyway. They all have these long, long beards. You know that, right? And these true writers are very old, and that's because they've been learning to write novels their entire life. And they all grew so very old by the end of their careers.
Oh, hi there, Ethan. and play with us.
No, thank you, girls. I will stand here with you.
What are all those papers in your bag?
Oh, you mean these? They're nothing, really.
Please tell us what they are.
Oh, please, Ethan. Just tell us already.
Well, it's, I wrote a book, you know. It's called The Frightless Hero.
Ooh, wow.
That's super cool. Can you read it to us?
Well, I don't know. I'm really not a true writer.
Oh, never mind. We want to listen.
Okay, listen. It was a gloomy night. A gloomy night in the city. Wow! Whoa! How was it?
It was awesome.
It was so amazing. You're a real talent.
Oh, wow. We could never write like this ever.
Do you think you will continue it? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is Ethan home?
He must be in his room. He's been in there all day. We're a little worried.
Tell me, is there anything urgent? Can I leave him a message, maybe?
Ethan wrote a book, a great big novel.
And he read it to us. And we were thrilled to bits.
With the novel, I mean.
And Ethan promised to write a sequel.
And so we came.
That's interesting. We'd love to hear that, really.
Oh, may I please stand here? Over here with you, if you don't mind.
Quiet, please.
The first chapter.
The bridge is under construction.
No, it isn't.
But it's written right there.
Well, it doesn't even matter. I've been looking at it for 3 days. There's no construction above the bridge. You can go and see for yourself.
Yeah, there's nothing above the bridge at all.
What if this construction couldn't find the bridge and lost its way? What if it just got sick?
These guys have used the distant bridge.
Why do all the best things always happen across the river? It's just not fair.
Ethan knows what to do. We'll apply scientific knowledge.
But Ethan and science don't go together.
But not this time, guys. You see, I found a book with the most modern engineering inventions. By the way, take a look at this, guys. It was written in the past century, and there's a special carrier for trains. It's called a ferry.
Well,
And soon you can enjoy the ferry that lets you rest.
well, does it say anything about when the ferry will let us rest? I'm exhausted.
Later. Don't stop. We need to collect more logs. Well, I think the logs could have been thicker than what you brought. You can count on Ethan the ferryman to bring you across the river safe and sound.
We can really enjoy the rest here. It's so much fun.
Yes, Ethan. You know, a ferry is a great invention indeed.
Well, I guess so. Oh, wow. Now we won't need to use the distant bridge after all, guys.
What a really cool invention!
Hey, would you mind bringing us across the river, guys?
Of course.
Oh, well...
I need to get across the river. I'm late for my concert. Ethan, please help me.
My poor friend is so cold he's totally frozen. He needs coal urgently.
Arnold got a B on the exam and we're celebrating. Would you mind taking us to the party?
George, just let us know. Shall we find some other invention for poor Ethan?
And this time, it better not be from the past century. Ugh!
My mom always says that all the construction workers go quicker if you shout at them in a commanding voice.
Hey, let's call the general. If he shouts with his commander's voice, maybe they'll finish the bridge a lot quicker.
Well, I see. That's no good.
Even so, the ferry has given us many minutes of rest.
Yeah, especially for Ethan over there.